Hi everybody. What we have here is I was trying to change out an anode rod in a Bradford White. Normally there's an anode rod, like a bolt hole that you can stick an impact wrench on. And this is the nipple kind. As you can see, it got really squished trying to get it off there. So what I did was I got it where it could grab and I tapped it in with a hammer. And I had to take all these things off of here because it was going to spin. There's the overflow, and there would be where the vent ducting goes up. And what I did was I went down to the hardware store for my number 14 pipe wrench. This is my grandfather's, made in the USA. Been in the family for years. So where did I go? I'm going to hand this off to my lovely assistant. Hi, Katie. I got nice piece of conduit. I didn't go with gas pipeline, but I used this as a breaker bar, and I needed that kind of leverage, and I had to pound it on there with a hammer, but I finally got it. So if you're having trouble with one of these and it squishes all the way down, don't give up. Just give yourself some leverage and don't break anything. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it.